song.
Not first, we just make everyone do that.
Yeah, everyone.
Walk with everyone. Be the big guy. Then show your face to be like, I'm pussy.
Just flag.
No flags. No flags. If a bull see me, he gonna fuck me up. Alright, alright.
Whoa!
Good shot. I just almost going.
Let me throw you.
Hey, don't make me take my shirt off, alright? Nah, I don't have anything. I gotta do some cardio to bring them out.
Oh!
Look, we are fucked up right now. We will be getting there in like how much time, bro? 10 minutes? Yeah. That's alright, that's alright. So what's up? Sorry. Look, there's some shit here. Show them. Oh shit! Hey, we gotta show them the drug place is too early to get high.
Mohammed took a shit there.
There are two bitches over there, look! Fucking pussies right here. Oh, that's a big one right here. The Filipino one. I'm going back to China. Hey, where you going, fool? This is the wrong way. Oh! Shit. Turn it off.
Oh man, keep going, dude.
No, it's too much already.
Not too much.
Hey, can you upload the video on your fucking computer?
Yep.
That's good. Keep it. We're gonna put it on YouTube and then like